Okay, so we're in Zhuhai, and there's a lot to film in this park, so I don't think I'm going to film too much, but this one right here is where all of these are coming out. And there's, oh, there we go, right there. So coming out a couple of them. So we'll try to give you some snippets of Chimelong Ocean Park, but there's a lot to see. We got a Zhuhai one. This one is in Hengqin. It's in the very southern part of Zhuhai. We'll put that up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. And these are just kind of snippets of this park, which is labeled accordingly. And we're just going to show you as if you were there yourself, but I don't have an extensive one of the park. I just have snippets so you can get a little bit of a feel of a little bit of what it's like. Anyways, at least you have an idea of what a little bit of it looks like. Let's go there, and as if you were there yourself, a little part of Hengqin. Okay, so we're gonna set out here, and then I guess we're gonna just walk into the crowd a little bit. I'm just gonna give you a small snippet. There's too much to see, and I'm gonna just enjoy it myself. But you can definitely see lots of crowds of people everywhere. Okay. Like the theater over there, it's like they said it's full. You got a giant dolphin over there. You got all kinds of cool stuff everywhere. So this is arranged in sections. So there's aquariums, there's penguins, there's dolphins, there's all kinds of random kind of sea animals, I guess, as well as different rides. And some restaurants as well. I think the cost was something like I think it's $450 for an adult and $380 for a kid, something like that. But this will give you a little small taste of it anyways. Okay, so here's a little bit more of the park. There's so much more, actually. This is just a little bit of a taste. Hero Island down that way. And they have some parade down here. So maybe we'll walk by that parade a little bit and give you an idea of what that looks like as well. Okay, so I think what we're gonna do is walk over towards that fountain. But yeah, the park is nice, lots of nice stuff all throughout. So these are little ones that drop down. That's a giant roller coaster right there. You have the aquariums. This is a nice water show. There's a Pirates Cove down that way. There's a penguin aquarium over there, hotel in the distance. And so small taste anyways.